How Shopify works. So let's answer the first and the most basic question that we have about Shopify. What is Shopify and how does it work? So Shopify is an all-in-one commerce platform built for independent business owners to start, run, and grow their business online, in store, and everywhere in between. So here are a few things that you can do with Shopify. The first one is you can create and customize an online store. Second, sell in multiple places including web, mobile, social media, and brick and mortar. Third, manage products, inventory, payments, and shipping. Lastly, create, execute, and analyze online marketing campaigns. So the next question that we have here is how much does Shopify cost? So basically, you have a 3-day free trial, no credit card required. However, after the free trial expires, you need to choose from the 3 basic plans or Shopify's plans. So you can find it in shopify.com/pricing. The first plan that we have in here is our basic plan, which costs $25 a month. It's inclusive of basic reports, up to 1,000 inventory locations, and 2 staff accounts. The next plan that we have is our Shopify plan. So for the Shopify plan, it costs $65 a month, and its inclusions are professional reports, up to 1,000 inventory locations, and 5 staff accounts. Lastly, here we have our advanced plan. So it costs $399 a month, and its inclusion are custom report builder, up to 1,000 inventory locations, and 15 staff locations. So for the 3 plans, it actually costs $1 a month for the first 3 months. After that one, it will go to regular pricing basically. So you just need to choose from these 3 plans and everything would be good. Just choose from your needs. Now here we also have our yearly plan. You can actually save 25% for the yearly plan. Now let's log in to our Shopify account. If you want to start with your free trial, click on the start free trial button. But if you do have a Shopify account like me, simply log in. Now I'm going to show you how the admin platform on Shopify looks like. So let's hit on login. Now here, when we log in, you can see that we will be routed to this page. All we need to do is to simply wait for the page to load. Now, once the page has loaded, you can see your store name in here and your domain, basically. Right now, let's hit on it. So once you've hit on your store, you can be routed, or you will be routed to your homepage basically. So this is how your homepage looks like. Now here in the left hand side, we can see our panel for our Shopify account. So here, let's go through each panels or buttons. So first we have our orders. Here in the orders, you can actually create your orders in this section. Just click on the green button right here. So if we create an order, we can actually select for the product, add the payment, and you could also add your customers right here. All right. So you just need to simply search if you do have an account or file of your customer. Now let's leave the page for now. Next section is our product section. Now let's go over one of our products right here. I'm going to click on the first one. So here you can see the title of your product, the description, so like an overview of what your product is. Next is the media, so pictures of how it looks like, the variations or the variants. And then you can actually see here the search engine listing. Let's copy the URL of our search engine listing to see how our product looks like on our domain. Alright, let's copy and open another tab, paste the link. Now here, this is how our product looks like basically in our domain. So this is our Shopify app store basically. Now let's go to another section. So here we can have collections. In the collection section, you can see there inventory, transfers, gift cards. So basically, if you would like to sell gift cards to your customers, then you could do that one. You can add a gift card product to your Shopify. Now the next thing that we have in here are our customers. So here we can see our customers' name, email, and whatnot. You can add your customers, export and import your customer files in here if you do have another web page or whatnot, so you can do that one right here. Next, here is our content. For the content, you can actually add that, and here are our files. Now here are our analytics section. This is very important, of course, because we can see our activity basically, or our domain's activity, how many customers has visited our page, or how many customers has returned to our store basically, how many people have ordered the products we have in our Shopify account. So everything is in this section basically. All right, now let's get on to the next part, which is our reports section. Now for the reports, as you can see, we have these line in here, and here we can see our live view as well. So for the live view section, we can see how many people have visited our website, and that's about it. Here's our marketing. So you could actually create campaigns also with Shopify. And here you could upgrade your Shopify plans. All right, now the next thing that we can see is our discounts. So you could actually create discounts for your customers and whatnot. So here's a very important section. This is our online store. Under online store, we can see themes. So here in the theme section, you can see how your Shopify looks like, or edit your Shopify store. So let's click on customize. Now it will route you to this edit page where you can change your name, your banner, your header, and whatnot. Below, you could actually see free templates that you can make use of in your Shopify store or your Shopify domain basically. All right, now simply just click on add to that one. Now here we also have blog posts. So for example, if you're in the fashion business, then you can actually write blog posts on how to do this and that for your fashion inspired outfit, or to give them tips basically on how to improve fashion styling. Now the next part is your apps. This is very important actually. For example, here we have Deezers. Deezers is a drop shipping option. If we have, or we're looking for like to import products and whatnot, we can use that one. So if you have not seen your chosen app, you can go to your Shopify app store right here and just search for the app that you're looking for. That will help improve your Shopify app store. All right, now let's go back to our Shopify admin page. All right, so here are a few questions that we have in mind. So is it safe and secure to have Shopify? Yes, it is. Actually, it's very good because you don't have to worry about your customers' information. Shopify is certified level 1 PCI DSS, which means to say all your data and customer information is ultra secure. And Shopify is nearly available to every country in the world. Not all, but nearly every country in the world. And you don't have to worry if you're worrying about setup fees on your Shopify account. There are no setup fees in Shopify. Basically, you just need to add or start your free trial or log into your account. You're just going to pay for your basic plan or your plan, the amount of the plan that you have right there. And one thing about Shopify as well is that you can actually cancel your plan at any time. You don't have to worry about that one. And that's about it. If you do have any questions, you can actually go to your Shopify Help Center, and there are articles that will answer your questions right there. Thank you so much. Hope you find this video helpful and hope you enjoyed. Bye.